everyone, welcome to this quick walkthrough of Local Busket, the platform designed to help local store owners grow their businesses online. In this video, I will guide you step by step through the user interface so you can see how easy it is to set up and manage your store. Let's start with the onboarding process. Onboarding process for new store owners in Local Busket is very simple. User needs to navigate to localbusket.com and click on Start Your Journey. Or they can go to Google and search for Local Busket Onboarding. From the first link, they will able to see the Local Busket onboarding process with a guide video.
अरे रुको भाई, ऑर्डर लिख रहा हूं, पर्चा कहां गया?
They need to click on Start Your Journey as a store owner and fill up the Google form that will appear. Once we receive the form, we will go through the onboarding process and onboard the client in just a day. Once the new store is onboarded, the user will receive an email with their login credentials and password. Once the store owner receives the login credentials, they can directly log in to the store and manage their stores. So let's log in. You can see the total products, orders, and all the things are zero because this store doesn't have anything. So let's navigate to the store and see how it's look now. So you see this store do not have anything now. So now let's add products, customize the store, and then see how it's look like. Go to products. You can see under product category, you can add different categories. And every product can have one particular category. Now you can also see a product management where you can see add products. By clicking on that, you can add your products here. Let's not do that. Let's do a simple upload in bulk. So if you click on download sample CSV, you will see a CSV file will load with the product details and the file structure. If you have multiple products, you can add your product name, description of the product, the unit by which you are selling, the price of the product, the offer price of the product. So the difference between price and offer price is, suppose a product is 100 rupees cost, but you have some special supplier or something and you wanted to sell it at 50. Then you can put price as 100 and in the offer price you can put 50 and the store will automatically show the difference and how much the difference is and what is the how much you can save on that particular product. You can see stock quantity, you can see SKU number, category that we described, but this category should be present, is visible, is true or not, and you have 10 links separate for images. So you can upload 10 image links here for each product. Now let's upload the CSV file and import the products in the store. For that, choose File, upload the CSV, and import. You can also add your product from this add product button manually. You will see all the products will appear now. So now they are marked as visible. So if you just refresh the store, you will see all the products will be visible now on the store. Next, go to the second option, orders. Whenever you receive an order from a customer, you will see those here. We'll come to this part later. We have analytics, our customers, our payment methods. So whenever some customer hop onto our store through Google Find My Store or any other external link or our marketplace, how they will pay you depends on what payment methods you enable. Don't worry, you need not to register any current account or create any what I would say, create any PhonePe account or something like that. You can just put your QR code here and you can start selling. You can put it on cash on delivery enabled. If you want your UPI payment to be proceed, then just enable this and add your UPI number or add your QR code. Or if you want to be have bank transfer, so you can just enable this. After that, for an example here, we're just using cash on delivery and UPI payment. Let's put a dummy UPI payment here. And save the changes. Second is reports. Once you have sales, you can see customized reports and download them in several formats from anywhere in your store. You can see a part settings here. This is the most important thing where most of your store settings will be present. Okay, and you can update the store settings from here, like the way you see this gap here. There is several colors are not, I'm not liking those colors, so let's make something good here. Additionally, you have tools, you have reviews, so any customer can come log in and give you a review from here. Coupons, so you can create your coupons for the checkout for the users, and you can also estimate like how the coupon will be used, how you can really grill it down, like per customer how many times you wanted to use this coupon, a particular coupon. You want what is the total limit of the coupon. So you can customize everything here. I will come to this part later. Additionally, we have promote is a special feature that you offer to connect you with your customers directly. So you can directly choose the customers here once you have customers, and directly send click one by one, or just select all of them, or just select some of them and create a personalized message or create a personalized coupon to them through here. Validation verification is the part that we took your address, we do the verifications there, we put your GST numbers and all the other things, make the store a little bit more premium there. You will get a verified batch, and also your store look will more increased. And also we have a messaging section. Okay, so here your if you have a like you are using Trulio for SMS configuration or anything, those configurations will be saved here. So now let's do a quick makeover of our store, and I will come back to you within a minute. So the store setup is already completed. So now I can show you on the right hand side, you can see the store, the products, uh, and all the banners and everything. The banners will move in every 5 seconds. and those every kind of customizations are there. So now the store management in local Busket, you can easily customize your store, upload your logo, choose colors, set business hours, and even connect your own domain with SSL. The product management part is that you can add unlimited products with images, prices, categories, and offers. Then you can bulk upload options on CSV plus multilingual support. So we have a special feature. So if you want your store language should be turned to something else, okay, in default. So suppose you are based out of Punjab and you want your store to be written all the details in Punjabi language. So you can easily do that, and you can do that for all the various stores. Okay, so local Busket can have a store, can have 5 stores for Hindi language, can have 10 stores for English language, can have 15 stores for Bengali language, and so on and so forth. So this is the special feature that we have, and you can customize your store language as a store owner from your site. Obviously, we have the order and customer management as well. So let's go for a flow, okay, of order management. Okay, so you can go through all the settings here. Okay, under settings, most of the colors are chosen here. Banner writings and everything is, they're pretty descriptive enough. If you don't know something, just don't bother that. Okay, one thing is store address that I need to explain. The store addresses are based on your location. So suppose we have a franchisee. Ratnadeep is a franchisee where we have 10 stores. We have one store in Kolkata, one store in Chandigarh, one store in Delhi, one store in Hyderabad, Karnataka, and so on and so forth. Or we have a different situation where suppose Ratnadeep have a store, is a store where in Hyderabad, it has 5 locations. In Delhi, it has 10 locations. And it can only manages deliveries within the 5 kilometer radius of the delivery of the store. Okay. They can customize it as a store owner so deep on their store. Okay. So what happened if the user outside the location area log into the store or hop onto the store, they will see a message that okay, you are outside the servable area or delivery area, and it is the user will not be able to make the order. Okay, the user will only able to make the order when they are in the radius, and we can grill it like in meters, like in 100 meters or 50 meters or 10 meters. You can grill the each store location like that. So let's see this feature. This is a very important one. So currently we have only, suppose Ratnadeep has only one store. I take the geolocation location for central Hyderabad. So Hyderabad approximately 50-60 kilometers wide. So let's suppose I'm not in central. So I'm around more than 20 kilometers away from central, at least. So now this store location has a delivery radius of 60 kilometers. You can customize each and every details of the delivery radius. Okay, so what will happen if I go and come here and click on the store? I will see that everything is okay, good, right enough, right? But just a small change and you will see what will be the difference. I just change it to suppose 2 kilometers. So Ratnadeep now will only deliver within 2 kilometers of radius, okay, from this particular address that is in the central of Hyderabad. So if I update the address, okay, and just refresh the store, you will see now it will show outside your delivery area. So this is something we have now. If I just get it back, and this will only also be applied when the store is closed. So when your store business hours are set for per day basis. So suppose your store on Sunday not open, okay, or open for just from 9 to 12, okay. So now currently see the time is 5:04. So what we can do now, we can change it. Let's suppose till 1 and save. So now previously the error message was outside delivery area. But now if we go and edit this delivery area and make it like 60 kilometers, so I will definitely be covered. So now if you just do one thing, have I saved it? Let's go to the store settings, see the business hours for Sunday. Yeah, I have saved it. So just save the changes, and now if you just reload, it will give you not only why the store is blacked out, but it will also give you the reason why, what is the reason for the one, okay, that the store is not great, not colorful, and it's grayed out. So it's a good indicator for the customers that, okay, the store is now closed, so you cannot, but it will not do anything. It will not allow you to, not stop you to check the cards or do anything. Just that it is just grayed out. That's all. Now if I just change it, because I need to make an order, I can't do any order here, okay, when it's grayed out. And if I just make it till, let's make it 8 and just save business hours. Now just reload this page. You will see now it is not grayed out, and it will allow me to create an order. So suppose I wanted to buy this. 1 minute. Let me minimize it. So once you, so let's remove the products from the order. Okay. Now each page has only, can only contain 10 products. So you can easily navigate through all the products. You can search for your product, or you can do whatever you would like. Now, if some, I just wanted to buy some bananas, buy some bread, you will see those will be added in the product, proceed to checkout. And what I need to do, I need to just suppose put any address and then message like I wanted to have it. And then now if I just oh, okay, there is also an option to add coupons. I will come to that later. So now for now, just proceed. If you remember, we have enabled two payment methods. So now the total payment is 115. I just need to select one of the payment method and proceed to checkout. And it will give us a confirmation. So now we will see what is this 10 rupees save, although we have not applied any coupon. So in the store, whatever the difference price, so I brought bananas, so it has 70 rupees, but actual price was 80. So it will show you for my each transaction how much I saved as a customer. So one extra value addition in the, for the stores, they have a highly customized order is processed. So now if I go here and track my order, I can see the order is still unpaid and order status is pending. This is a known thing that, okay, this is a store owner's place. So store owners can now go to the orders. There's no validation. You will directly receive your amount in your account as a store owner. You directly go to orders and you will see the order details here. Once you suppose first what you will do, you will receive the payment. Okay, you'll talk with the customer, or you will receive the payment at the cash on delivery selected. So after the delivery, So what you can do, you can just mark it is in progress and add a message that okay, deliver by 3 p.m. IST. 3 p.m. IST. Okay, now just save this message, and whenever the store customer go to their track order section, so if I just refresh this page, you see, user can see the messages delivered by 3 p.m. Also, user and the customer both will receive any notification related to orders. Okay, so store owner can mark it paid, customer will receive a notification. Store owner mark it delivered, customer will receive a notification, and so on and so forth. So for now, let's suppose make this order as paid and uh, delivered as well. Okay, and just refresh it. Now you'll see the order is delivered and order is paid. So it's done. Now, if the user comes again and make another order of a bread, but this time the user didn't pay the store owner upfront. Okay. And it will always save the previous address that you use for the delivery. So choose payment method. This time, suppose UPI payment, they can directly go to Google Pay and make the payment and then place the order. Customer can do that. Customer can make the payment first, and they will see this time there's no difference. So no, nothing. Just order placed. Track your order. You will see another order here. Now the product is supposed delivered, and but there is a special thing in India that is going on, that is udhari. So now suppose there is a home that uses this store owners app, or there is an apartment that uses the store owners app, and they do the payments at the end of the month, okay, or at the starting of the month, okay, whenever they get their monies. So now in this case, you can just make this order as delivered as a store owner and don't mark it as paid. What will happen? It will give you the same status in their dashboard. So you see it is delivered but unpaid. Now, if you go to your pending dues, this page, and just for today, let's refresh. You see this person has one order unpaid for 45 rupees. Store owner at the end of the month, if the customer forgot, they can send a reminder from here, okay, and user will receive the customer will receive the notification that your this order is due with this much amount, okay, and so on and so forth. So this is the order flow, okay. Also they can make it filter by month, by all time, or whatever they want. So now this is the pending dues page for store owner. Now go back. So apart from that, all the product things. Now there is also some feature for analytics and also payment communication. So currently we are using Trulio for all the payment communication. User and customer both will receive SMS in their mm, mobile number, in the respective mobile number, that okay, this order is paid, this order is received, and we are planning to do it in WhatsApp. So users and customers both will receive that in WhatsApp. That will be beneficial because we will get less paid. WhatsApp is cheaper, I believe, but I need to check that. And also Local Busket supports UPI and phone payments. So you can directly pay to the store owner's account, store owner's UPI, or in when the order is delivered. Okay, so cash on delivery. Plus, you can send automated SMS updates, marketing campaigns, and due reminders, helping to stay connected with your customer. So here you have a section called customers, from where you can see the who is the actual customer, and how much they have total business with you here. So you have a good customer management here. If you go to the promote section, now you can just select this customer. If you have multiple, you can select one or multiple, and select an SMS that you wanted to send to the customer to get in connected with the customer. You can do that, and you can put the you can search for the customer here, and you can add the message here, and you can directly send to one customer or send to multiple customer. Okay, so similarly, if you go to customers, you can see that. If you go to analytics, you will see a good dashboard where you can see total revenue and all the other stuffs, total how much sales. There is also a particular section for reports. So what a report section does, it will give you a really real down report of your store. Okay, so how much product wise, sales wise, what is the like which are the products in our store that is less than 20 quantities available, uh, best what is the best here, best selling products, best customer by orders who make the most sales, and finance and orders, and all kind of reports are there. Similarly, you will have tool section. This section is not added by any tools, but in future, admin can add multiple tools here that the store owner can use in future. Reviews, so customer can go and give you a review. So let's give it a review. So as a customer, I'm just adding a review like 4 star, giving good experience, and submit. And if you just refresh the page, it will show you your rating. Okay, if multiple use if two if you receive another 5 rating, then it will got up to 4.5, and how this will be calculated. Okay, so now you can refresh this page, and you will see your store reviews here as a store owner, but you cannot do any modifications here because those are not something you can do in general. It's a good practice. So now you have two viewers. Where it is coming from? One is here. I'm opening that in my phone, so it is showing two viewers. You can really in real time see how many users are currently using your store. Okay, now let's come to the second part of it, that is the language. So what I told you earlier, users can have store owners can have their own store language. So suppose this Ratnadeep Retail Private Limited, this store is based on Hyderabad, so they want their store to be on Hindi. Okay, so they can do that. If they want this to be on Telugu, they can do that. If they want this to store be on Bengali, they can do that. And whenever customer logged in, they will be able to see the store and all the other details of the store in that particular language user has chosen, store owner has chosen. Store owner can also change the language of their store itself. Okay, store dashboard itself. So if I change it to Bengali, all it will be changed to Bengali. If I change it to Marathi, it will change immediately. If I change it to, I don't know, like Punjabi, I would say, it will all change it to Punjabi. So you can see all the details. Even if you go to the products, it will take some time, but not much. It will not take more than 3-4 minutes. Okay, but product names and everything will be changed. Similarly, you can also change the store language. Okay, store default language. This is just for you view as a store owner. Now if I just change it to English because I don't know Punjabi, and If I just go to here under settings and in the store settings, there will be a option. 1 minute, let me find it. Store default language. So now if store owner go and change the language here under store default language, all the products and all the other product details and all the checkout pages will turn into that particular language. So let's try an example of some language. Let's see what about Hindi. Okay, so let's change it. Allow me 1 minute. This feature is currently disabled from the UI because this is a premium feature and store needs to be verified once to have this feature. So it will be a one-time cost of $3.99. After that, store can have this feature for lifetime. So if we just update it from the backend and just refresh the store. It will take a minute, I believe. But you see all the names are already started to getting changed. So now, yeah, the store is also getting changed. So now if we go checkout, you will see all the checkout buttons and all the options are also in the regional language. So store owner can really have this feature if they have a regional presence. Then that is a good feature to have, and it just cost $3.99 for lifetime. So you can change your language multiple times in your store's life cycle and proceed. So this is the basic overview of the product that we are offering. This can be very efficient for any store owner who wanted to make the digital presence and don't wanted to pay the hectic prices from Shopify or any other payment gateways where they're charging around a percent of your transactions plus a monthly 2,000 or 3,000 rupees of monthly subscription. We can just reduce it with 4.99. Okay, we can have much more capabilities there. We can have your store online. So please check out our channels. Okay, you can check out our YouTube videos. You can check out our Instagram link. So stay healthy, stay connected. Bye everyone.
भैया ऑर्डर।
अरे ऐप पर ऑर्डर कर दो।